A very warm greetings to everyone. This is Mehak Basrani, currently pursuing Integrated Masters of Technology from International Institute of Professional Studies DABB Indore. This video is part of my curriculum under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Srivastav sir. In this video, we will be learning about a very powerful cloud computing tool, DialogFlow. In the course of the video, we will firstly discuss about what are chatbots and why do we need them. Then we'll discuss about DialogFlow, which is a Google service that operates on Google Cloud Platform. And then we'll see a practical demo of how we can build chatbots using DialogFlow. First, let's see about chatbots. What are chatbots? Chatbots are software or computer program that simulates human conversations or chatter through text or voice interactions. Chatbots rely on AI and machine learning to perform tasks that are typically done by humans. A very powerful and successful example of chatbot is ChatGPT. Who have not heard about ChatGPT today? Everyone knows it and is very well aware of its power. Such useful and powerful are chatbots in general. Why chatbots? Firstly, because bots are a lot easier to install than mobile apps. Secondly, bots are easily distributed. And lastly, quality mobile apps are expensive to build and maintain and deploy. But how do we build chatbots? Is there any way we can easily build and integrate these bots in our application? There surely is. Whether you are a global retailer or a new startup, tech is changing ways customers interact with business. They can increasingly expect your brand to be reachable anytime and anywhere. For example, customers of Mary Hotel want instant answer bookings, but providing these services and doing so in a personalized, cost-efficient manner is not easy. DialogFlow is here to help. With DialogFlow, Mary can help her customers better by building conversational experience powered by AI. They can chat directly with her brand to book rooms, ask customer questions, or make small talk. To set this up, all Mary has to do is set up some example dialogues or phrases around these topics. Then, DialogFlow uses machine learning to understand what her customers want and provide them most powerful response. And the best part, thanks to DialogFlow's end-to-end solution, Mary can build, test, launch conversational experience on company's website, mobile, and all the popular platforms and devices her customers are using. As customers engage in conversation with her brand, she can also use DialogFlow to track analytics and make empowerments to user experience. With DialogFlow, Mary's Hotel can help serve customers however and whenever they want to reach out. For a clear understanding of how to build and use DialogFlow, let's dive into a practical demo. So this is the homepage of DialogFlow. All you need to do is search for DialogFlow console on Google, sign up, create an account which is for free, and here it is where you will land. On coming to this page, firstly we need to create an agent. So we'll hit create agent, give our agent some name, say hotel bookings. We can also set default language and also default time zone, and then hit create. Now, what is DialogFlow agent? It is essentially the bot itself. You have to teach him how to communicate, and it's your responsibility to create bot's personality and manage what it can understand and how it responds. So here it is, our agent, that is our bot, is ready. After that comes the intent. Now, intent is the intention when your user wants to interact with the chatbot. Or also we can say that intent is what he or she is asking from chatbot. We can also call this agent as training phrases. Now by default we have some welcome training phrases. Now these intents or the training phrases are by default, and to this training phrases we have some default responses. We can also add our response to it. Say for example, I had add welcome and press enter. To test it, here it is, we say and press enter, and here is the response from bot. Next things comes the integrations. We'll go to integrations, we'll cancel it this for now, and we can create this bot to any app we want. We can integrate it to Facebook, Slack, Telegram, or even a website. For now, we'll just create a web demo. We'll say enable, and here is our bot. So example, here I say here to this bot and press enter. We'll wait for the bot's reply, and here it is. Okay, so we can also create our intent according to our wish. For example, if we go to the intent tab, then create intent, give intent a name, say bookings, and add some training phrases. For example, I add how to book a room. Press enter. We can also give some variations to these phrases, say how to check in, enter. And then we can add some responses to these phrases. We'll go to add response and add a response saying thanks, please visit GoIB. Here is it, we have added our response. Then we'll save this intent. To test it, we'll go to our chatbot. We'll just refresh it once and ask it how to check in and press enter. And this is what our bot replies. And voila, our bot is ready. Now we can integrate this bot wherever we want, be it Facebook Messenger, Slack, a personalized app, or even a website. Here, for example, I have created this website, which is an EnviroBot. It is an intelligent chat bot that tells you whether a particular object is recyclable or not. For example, if I ask it, can I recycle plastic, and press enter, and this is what it replies. Say, what about wax? Enter, and this is what it replies. And voila, your chatbot is ready. And that's it. You are now all skilled to build your very own chatbots. Go, create your bot and have fun. Thanks for watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up in case you liked it. And in case of any query, feel free to comment down below or reach out to me on any of the provided platforms. Thank you.